guys, welcome back to the channel. So sorry for the long wait, it's just been quite a month actually. Been a month now since the last one, yeah. So sorry for that, but I'm back, I'm strong. New review, AirPods Max. Now I bought these like a month ago. Yeah, a month ago since my last review, and I've just been using them out and about and inside to give you the best review. And yeah, let's get into it. Hey guys, sorry I couldn't give you a full unboxing to open them up to actually use them, and so I can give you a much better review. Sorry for that, but anyway, we've got the box here. We've got that sort of 3D effect on the picture here. Quite nice. Apple logo, AirPods Max, and then the barcodes. So made in China, yeah, of course. Space grey with black headband. Yeah, compatible with iOS, Apple Watch, etc. Perfect. Quite an Apple-centric sort of thing. You can still pair them to other Bluetooth devices, but they've tried to keep it all Apple ecosystem. So, yeah. Sliding box like that. Quite nice, as usual, I think. Nearly all boxes have that now. Just these little ear cups that came in the packing, just to keep it dust-free, nice and protected, and just a little sheet there. And all that's the all you get basically, and then the sort of things, manuals and sort of introduction, how to set it up, etc. Yeah, no Apple sticker actually, which is odd, and also just the cable. That's it. I haven't used that because I've got so many of these. So that's all you get. No power adapter because of their sort of environmental protection sort of thing. They're trying to save money as well, of course, but so they just don't include an adapter. Which, yeah, well, we've got a load sitting around anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's the unboxing. I'll see you in the next clip into the review. In this review, there are 5 segments: build quality, sound, comfort, features, and my verdict. So, starting with build quality, the AirPods Max are the best made headphones I have ever owned, or tried for that matter. The ear cushions are all natural, no peeling, cheap, fake leather, making them very comfortable. But I will talk more about comfort further in the review. And also, even if they do tear or wear, as I said in the unboxing, you can buy £75 replacements. Moving on to the case of each ear cup, it's a seamless milled chunk of aluminium that is very smooth, tactile, and cold to the touch. And I think these are the only full metal headphones on the market. To adjust the height of the headphone, there are beautiful stainless steel telescopic arms that aren't like the ratcheting ones we see on most headphones, making these infinitely adjustable and only resisting enough so that they don't move when you stretch them onto your head, and at the same time they're not too difficult to operate. Really, really good. Now the headband has a lot of controversy to its materials. The mesh, office chair-like kind of material, although it's eccentric design, the headband is very quality and reduces weight on your head. Now moving on to sound. As soon as you put the AirPods Max on, you are blown away with how much fidelity and detail the AirPods Max has to offer. The bass has volume but is clean and tight, not boomy or overwhelming at all. And the treble is clear and not fatiguing nor bright or piercing, just perfectly balanced. And the extra detail of soft sounds you get with the AirPods Max is the best I've ever heard. Put on Woman in Chains by Tears for Fears. The bass guitar is perfectly balanced, playing on the left and on the right. The hi-hat of the drums is played perfectly in the middle of your head. And previously listening on other speakers, the percussion sweeps from the right to the left and then just into the centre. But now the extra level of precision on these, you realise that the last sound is not central, but is just offset to the left. And once discovering the little things like these just proves the AirPods Max to be the best noise cancelling headphones of today. The AirPods Max EQ is automatically adjusted and checked for any distortion or brightness with the H1 chip. These are equipped in both ear cups with a total of 20 audio cores that can continuously monitor the output audio for up to 200 times per second. And this happens for each left and right driver simultaneously, leaving the listener with an incomparable audio experience. And personally, if all the features were stripped away and just left with the sound, these would still be worth £550. Honestly, it's just something else. Moving to active noise cancellation, it's simply the best. When listening to music, only 40%, even loud lorries going past the car and road noise cannot enter. I've used these in a variety of locations and the noise cancellation just deals with everything. One time I used these on a bench near a busy road, turned on noise cancellation, listened to my favourite songs, closed my eyes, and I was at home sitting on my bed. The whole package is just transcendent. It's like you're sitting there at home. It's phenomenal. And just a press of a button activates transparency. It's like the headphones melt away. It's clear and like your own hearing. However, transparency is better on the AirPods Pro, and I will be making a review of the AirPods Pro soon. Now, about spatial audio. It's similar to Dolby's technology, Dolby Atmos, where sound isn't restricted to two channels, left and right. It plays in a 3D space all around you, and spatial audio does just the same, but better. Using the built-in accelerometer and gyroscope of the AirPods Max and your iPhone, they can communicate to help fix the voice to the screen, and if you turn your head, sounds stay in place. This feature has a lot of potential, but I'm just feeling it's a little gimmicky as of now. However, in saying that, I turned off head tracking and compared spatial audio to standard stereo, and it is better than some high-end surround systems. The dialogue is pulled away and is in front of you. Watching Extraction on Netflix and the cars chase scene, there is a point of view in the rear, and watching using AirPods Max and an iPad, it feels as if you were there. You can feel the car crashes, the slow motion scene with the glass flying across you. It's a step above and sets a new standard for noise cancelling headphones. Hey guys, now time for my verdict. Yeah, they're brilliant. They're really good headphones. But should you buy them? I think if you're looking for a really good quality pair of headphones, good sound, all this, then definitely go buy them now. And because after all, they are the best headphones on the market at the moment. But if you're looking for something just to chuck in your bag, just to, go on traveling, etc. Maybe might be for you, but not. But I would suggest something like AirPods Pro, or the Sony WFs, the XM4 WF rather than the WH, the in-ear ones. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you like the video, please sub and click that notification bell. It really helps me push out more videos to you. And yeah, once again, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.